ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅದರದ್ದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸು ಕೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. little bit. This side I have just dumped all the plants that I sent from HSR. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ದಿನದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡು ಅಂತಲೇ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪುರೋಹಿತರು ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಮನೆ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್? ಅಸ್ಮತ್ ನೀಡಮ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ನೀಡಮ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೆಸರು. ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸು. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಲಾನ್ ಥರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಗಿಡಗಳು. ಪುಟ್ ಸೈಪ್ರಸ್ ವೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ಅಬೌವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಸೈಪ್ರಸ್ ವೈನ್. ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಚಾರುಪಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮೇಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಚಾರುಪಡಿ ಸೀಟರ್ಸ್ on either side of the entrance. This is the entrance. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. This is the entrance. It's a small house. We have a car entry gate there. And where you see this long stool with a broomstick, we are supposed to get a tulsi katte there. That is the northeast corner. It has to be prepared here, so ಇನ್ನೂ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. And maybe next to the car parkade, the concrete thing there, what you see is the place where we can wash our feet before entering the house. And also that tap will serve to the garden requirements, water supply and all that. So idu entrance. The living room. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಶೋ ಕೇಸ್ ಥರ, ನಾಟ್ ಶೋ ಕೇಸ್, ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಬಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ನಾರ್ತ್. ಇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 360 vision of our living room. So from the living room on the north side hodre we have a veranda. Illenu hakilla. We want to have an easy chair or a coffee table, maybe a swing hanging through just in front of the staircase. That staircase takes us to the terrace where we want to have solar panels and also a small seating. And this is going to be interesting area for us. You see where those stones are piled is going to be our designed into a lotus pond. And some lamps. Maybe next video you can see it in detail when we would have finished doing all the landscaping. Those rings you see are meant for doing some landscaping work. So we have 2 rooms in this house. So this is one of the rooms. We don't have any much fixed furniture. we want to explore the place and then get things. So we have a huge attic to store. And this is the bathroom attached with this room. So now I am going towards the dining area from the living room. So ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ we have all the kalashas and all. It's a small dining area. This is puja room. This is the puja room. ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಟಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವರೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಬೇ ವಿಂಡೋ. ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಂಬೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 6 feet ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇ ವಿಂಡೋ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಬೇ ವಿಂಡೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು accommodate people if there are more. And this is the kitchen. We have gone for only earthy or earth-related tones and colors. So you can see everywhere only black, white, terracotta and wood. This is an area where I probably want to keep some interesting stuff, kitchen stuff. This is the master bedroom. So here we have a walk-in closet, or so to say dresser. We have kept this open. We want to use organizers and store stuff. No closed wardrobe kind of stuff. We have had a lot of problems with wherever we had huge wardrobes in our previous buildings. So we decided against having one here. So this is another the bathroom with attached with master bedroom. There you can see our neighbor's house. One more neighbor at a distance. View from our bedroom. So from the kitchen we go to the most interesting part of our house, the utility area. We have planned it very elaborately. So here we have a wash basin for people to wash after they eat, and this is a sink, huge sink for washing. Then we have provided for a dishwasher here. The dishwasher has arrived but not installed yet. We have all the controls inside the house only. Our UPS, our MCBs and our pump starters, everything will be accommodated in this space. again some storage space. Here we want to provide for hanging clothes that are pressed. This particular place is meant for, it's a working area in the utility basically. You can see those plugs there. So we have a granite top there. We can use this for pressing clothes or maybe working. Again, storage space for all the utilities and what do you call that? Vacuum cleaner. Behind here also there is some space. Behind these boxes also there is space to store stuff. Maybe extra mats, laundry, washed laundry, all this stuff. This space is meant for washer dryer. So from utility, I'm taking you out to the backyard. Still work is happening. See, this is the back side of our house. Through the fence I want to make one green curtain, in the sense put up something that is about 8 feet high and grow some creepers, fast growing creepers, so that it forms a green curtain from here till the staircase that you see there.